Hi, I'm Sanjay Wasan, owner of Car Galaxy. This company we started long back in 1993. I've been working in new car industry, and from there my journey from new car to used car has been a long journey, maybe more than 30 years. Used cars we started in 2004. Seen a lot of changes in the industry happening. I set up this company. We usually deal in all kinds of new cars and used cars, where we have a stock of more than 60 to 70 cars, all kinds of cars, from hatchback, small hatchback, to sedans, SUVs, and premium cars. We deal in all types of cars. I have always had one habit that I keep usually cars of the lowest value, range starting from 1.5 lakh rupees, so that the young customer, whoever comes, they're able to buy the cars and they're able to see their dreams come true. So as and when they grow in their life, they keep on coming back to us and then keep on exchanging their cars with us. He's my partner, Mr. Jasinder Singh Bakshi.
Hi.
He takes care of the showroom on a day-to-day basis. He takes care of all the operations.
I would like to add to my partner's statement that one the budget, like the cars we keep, is from 1 to 1.5 lakh. It's just not that any cars that we keep. These are all certified cars, and certification means non-accidental, non-meter tampered, and non-flooded. These three parameters we take personal care that we when we give these cars to our customers, they don't face these issue with us. And also you can check our Google ratings as well as the customer reviews as well. That speaks a lot about us. So okay, certification car, you can definitely give us a call. And peace of mind, we take care of the RTO thing, insurance. In case if customers face any issue, like if he's stuck with his family at some, any place, we see to it that at least the customer is the issue is solved and the vehicle has been transferred to any authorized service center, or it's been back, it's been taken back in our custody, and then later on we speak with the customer and get the issue resolved.
So if you have any kinds of used car requirement or new car, we also provide loans on new cars, used cars. We provide top-up loans, loans against property. We also cover the insurance part of the car. Also, we take care of refurbishment of the cars. If you have any requirement of any of these services, you can always walk into our showroom, and we have a team of more than 30 people. They are always ready to assist you and help you out.